operation. Midiane amansie nsonoma ana amansie bofo bi. Amansie sunsum kese. Magiatum. Ma unse ho ne ma yete sunsum sam. Atire sunsum ase. So obi pese wotena o man Ghana ni wiase. No hu se bibi free soro ba dia. Too much Ghana. Aji won sem. Hwe na abrabo be siwie. Abrabo be dane na obehu se mihia ne ntam ana misua bi ntam a ka me pono na mu ato na mesafo ayira no ka me hu ne ntam ye kire wade ye ma hu sunsum mu nsam ye ma te de ba hwe na kane bi aso ebe ti omsem
the major prophet kum chacha on say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much gh on say me kan ye nyene bone pa na kase ye pe wo wi ase ya asondin asondin ti na adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ni ade cat won na bomoden na be hwe too much gh be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ewura
Akwa bastronko enkoma obibia sabe wajibre ehwe too much gh so monua ba masomfo na ama owusua enie na ebusefo ebra so eye training issues ba say the ekoso ewo mayi emu na say yebebie mu abobo ho na yehu say yeko anase yeba na ebusefo ene dey a very worrying statement about bonti no efa member of parliament for Ascent Central to say enkofo dodo na no apeja womeni ewo ensem no so na according to a member of parliament for Ascent Central meche honorable Kennedy Agyapong no wenya call no entrene ene de ema no woko no ma say ya kire ne say wonu amum ene nebusuafo ne ma eka ho bi wo mu nia wo mu enkwa edan say ma say ya sa hye ne date say na me ya adoma ochina anopa 4 am si we free ni fio pa na te say wo mo friend no mbeto wo fio dia na te say ne death sentence no eno no wo mku na ne sanity na te say wo mo bon kokoso wo mo aba no hu se die enti no mo bon amane de ye ntimi enkyere but amane ba abepie mu ama te say honorable no so no enya yem hihye e de afa ho no eno na sadoi abeto da ye behwe ehun asem na yaka na ansa ne beko ensem no eso no ye nkotie se na eye honorable Kennedy Agyapong wo de ensem no etu da ne ba ye die ensem no mu
Honorable Kwame Agyapong memwajo. Hello.
Hello. Yeah.
Honorable Kwame Agyapong memwajo.
Good evening.
Yeah. Meto nkapa na wapo mu ti sen. Honorable Kwame Agyapong memwajo.
Oh, madam, manu mpa.
Ke ma fra wa fra so yenti ye honka ye mo afisha pa kese na ye san so ema
Afisha yeti asina
sa
wo mo plan se ya wada wo mbeba be kumi disenia wo kumi ni wo mo agba Nyankopon akoma kuma no mo ni mo bia
sa na asem ne tie na nyame so apom so ntama ema wiase na ehu bone a wono mo pese omudie onyame nkoso ano nya wo kese ene had a call say me tv na Thursday 4 a.m. You know, when the bomb attack to come and kill me and my family. I'm not moving on it. You can't over. They are Ebe.
Okay.
Me say yawa they are Ebe and on mobile sapoi.
Yawa they are the one. Let's see one time on my 4 a.m. But you know, so we touch us yawa there. It can be a net, it can be a tuna, it can be Friday, it can be any other day.
Sure.
They elect.
I see.
They elect.
Good.
I mean, a train. Some of the family media.
Hey, Ghana.
But it's getting in official.
Amen. Amen.
But in a lot of people are calling me. See, I think Agyapong for chairman. I don't know if he's a member of parliament. Hello.
Meton kapa, okay?
Yes. The university has a number quick.
Okay, good.
Then go contest chairmanship baby. But we haven't discussed it. But flyers all over the place. Social media. Can Agyapong for NPP chairman here?
Na ebusuafo se na wo penino editu dwano saso ene yede aso akotie bi ede abanom na bewe bia wo behwemu yie pa na nse entem no ensem bi se no eya akoye normal ate se wo bete se wo peni bi amanfo tu ya hye ne so na te se wo maku no menka mo ebusuafo bi ya ana se menko echekra no wo be kai ya professor Benei se no ekwan afa so edi wuye ekofo ne kotu hye ne so eku no ebiem so no ye JB Dankwa MP artist wonu so enkofo efro ne dan oda ne dan mu fro ne dan koku no pesi ne enwa asem yentimi enka no enwieye ena biem so no MP for advancement ewo no krampo na tese do so better about say am robbery attack no krampo no suspicious ababa ba hun say betima ba ne say na tese motivations awodo eteche nam so emenye ko hia no kwemu edi eyi ni nkwa edi fo nti baby a abubo eba a efri part tese abre abedru say se yetimi fa phone e de frɛ wo peni ka kyene si bekunu e hye ne date e ma ne time e bekunu ene se no be ye ne ho se ne be ye betimi age ne nkwade afimu na tese wo mayimu ye kɔ ne senye bebi ye bedu ye tese ye ka security system krampa ejina yi ana na busafo enkomo yi se na si fate ne nti mato nsa ade afrɛ me ankasa me nua be ma obofo Michael owa ha ye bedi nkomo ade akɔ ensem nipa nti se wo hwɛ ye sabre ya wo ni di echire na fa eya wo comment so eta yechi ewe ye live chat ni mu na bo modin a share video we on other social media platforms na send be ya afufo so betimi aba on na obi etimi ede na dwenche abebata ho de nti ka me ho ne ma no akwa abasonko minia akwa abo
ye nua minia ba
bibi aboko
na mi adom oda su cry be nde atamfo na ebre
ampa na we de se na enkomo ni sifate no nti be se ye monitor to na ye ntimi nkomu ye se sia baby a Ghana ya bedri sempa na hunu with reference to the honorable da betu da say wenya call so obi afre no ka che ne so oba bekunu a hye ne date ama ne time any other things a wakaka wono baby a oban ya bedru no send pa na ekono ye okay
all right me nua mama na wase na mechia ahwefo omo YouTuber omo hwe yesisi ye
okay
koso ada o masese esemisi omo gibre na omude omu data e follow yensem na omu hunu ensem ekoso e wo man Ghana na Ghana it's high time I was say ye ma yen system about security no ekoso say we share previous years ABC ene ye dispensation ya ba drew from First Republic, Second Republic, Third Republic, Fourth Republic of Ghana. Na sabri it has to answer we ya na unfortunate. Na ya so say sansem bi ekoso. O say de bia meka say asem si a me na ne kan o say asem si a yemusa se ne de ne si ye busa se na no de ne si ye. E na no de ne si ye no ye nyina ye mfa ya adwene nkwa akiri say we are living in a country obeti we ewu obintin ewu na nkabe de na nkabe ni se ka kromu ha de nka omo security a obese eye strong omo in government titu ye ka so omo in government a consistent with omo both omo ye politics ko omo de because of their political gain their security briefed but uhwe ye mahemu ase ya womu ewu ni nyina a omo ye top people a omo ye government officials no womu a se bimpreduasa omo ho akwanya yetimi ema womo state security anka ye nim se ka be pepepe no these are the same people who are dying and unfortunate sana na ascend back to yeah sebi yeni security biya ebo ye ho ban ye Ghana so a ratio to your security and your the last time I'm checking here I stand to be corrected a year about 40 civilians stroke 1 police officer.
Really?
Yes.
40 civilians.
40 civilians.
Set memo 4 conform or my memo 40 police ni ba kope and a canon.
Any bit me about bit me boy home by at the time.
Okay.
So enti say o hwe saade na sabi na e kire say ye security o my mu ha no ye safe at all. It is a what is ansem bi say ya e sam ma wakoma etu more because you bebre o dey say we free ye fa ne say we free La Paz eko ebia Madina bisa the kind of police vehicles
checkpoint and
checkpoints are obedi kan ansana wadu Madina e few and that brings the alarming system a system ni mu a e ma ehu ebe o man Ghana because say utu kwan eko amanone a free hanura you see a police van and a police vehicle say okay. Esi ho 19 free hanura abu say police enenam and no kire say sempo seminam na me say me security at any point in time within short distance you can get a police officer to talk to ebia will be a trace you o to care more drive o share o driving mirror won so be trace you o dey just compare from La Paz to Madina ebia my witness say obi di minte e wo kwan so me free La Paz e ko Madina look at the distance na me so obi edi minte e free La Paz e ko Madina say one ko a nearby police station and can report to her. You can never get any police officer on the road. I wait me na gina catch and say, "Can be a dimechi." Ebia me hwe car no movement na we trace me. Eti omo enye follow up emma. You will not get that. But rather unless you move to a police station, a nearby police station. E work kwan so. And that tells you say very alarming. If Kobase distance no mu wa, let's say you are not safe, you can die on the road.
Ni upie krapo I police station kra na nipa ni tetu kra so timi de bo amu hon ma.
Yes. Enti sa ne ma we ni nyina ye enema Ghana bi sidne no se we obi a odwene obambo ho nsemo a na ebema won say we are not safe. But the security they be share boss yenye rest assured they are solidly behind us. They be at the omo can and we know say the omo can we are marking them by their words. But utimi hu unfortunate circumstances are itimi see say we say ye MPB or sorry ko nedwuma e bia wawie okofie okwakogena ho me ti say honorable JB Danko Edu KCC a sitting member of parliament itimi akwakokumu
onu ankasa ni fie
so that tells you say we are not safe. We are not safe at all.
Nti we are not safe. Fisa how can nkomo ye mpenifo amwa bemu and we know say nya cramp no omo security sa
sure
womo ehwe omo so nti eba ne sen na nipa bi nya kudo say me mfa hu security e wo nipa we hu anase eni e won ho because untimi enku honorable member of parliament be just like that any news ebe breaki
sure
and a breaki we are it means say pressure will be laid on the police say some conducting investigations no betimi enti there ebe ma obi akukudo say even after all those factors am boss no crap no still na no nipa we me yin from be say me yin from then e show mo kenya ma omutumi eto aso na bone na epiepia no
you see
because them say me dey say me can say so say omo ya bone for no and say omo di ntimode no omo sheda calculate obi enu obe pese on di bone a ye be chi no na onya mani we chi nti obe sheda na say calculate ni movement ni steps say be ya obe my clean job enti what na say na calculate say openi way security won ho ebi emutu no public figure nkofo ni won ho so ofi mu sisi a ofo visa questions what is bisa so the pressure but to police for so intelligence and to be when ni an say that be nipa me ko no ho a make me problem but if you no
omoko.
Yes, members of parliament have died. You suspected say in murder cases.
You see, the fact in say the system is not trustworthy.
System my team
that is the hard truth.
Okay.
There was system one. Obi be kase, obi wukura omfa. Ena there was system one. Obi be kase, I don't trust the police. Most people so we share civilians, even the politicians and some of them they don't trust the police system. The security, most people don't trust it. I say, and few say people are being bribed more. But share, let me tell you one thing. Me Ghana police and
okay,
military for all the security agencies. Mami can could be chill. Young police and I say a security system, they are really suffering a lot. I'm telling you.
Okay.
Share paid a juma or ye as police officers a day. Say ye can't work inputter or the Ghana for. They give us 300% work output more than what they are supposed to do. And as equipment they do extra work.
I'm
telling you, Ghana police.
Okay.
They do extra work. Where uni? You're fortunate say the little part of police service, tag you with bribery and corruption. Now, I call for police for you. Police do me deal with the the bribe aspect I they tag you you deal execute as Ghana police. Bribe issues, the little part of it.
Say and cash a crown.
Okay, so police service, what they do for Ghana, so much their daily routine. So I bribe now they tag Ghana police. I'm telling you, unnecessary. And I try Ghana police service, it look attractive. But so call day-to-day activities are. So that I'm telling you. Say they be own sorry. Now better studio sir. You always applaud Ghana police.
Now only say bad nuts can spoil the whole soup.
Oh, but
one bad nut, one bad nut.
As we Ghanaians,
okay.
Enna ye feel say Ghana police a corrupt institution.
Says I was don't see a woman.
Yes, I say do one.
Okay.
Are doing fantastic work.
Oh,
Ghana police. I'm telling you,
okay.
They are doing fantastic work. When my baby name a champion course be for Ghana police service. And I'm hoping say too much GH. You never tell you so Ghana police. But I'm saying DNT.
DNT.
Sure. Say Ghana police officer be bet me esinibo. And they are not willing to do it because their job is at stake.
Okay.
And there are some oath beer or maswe say
oath of service. So,
yes, say and some you want to be found mambote. But I'm telling you, mommy, when you should car, Miss Me, you should car. The washer you should car. We shall say, car now we usually the quite do the beer. Who fuels that car for you? When the fuel car now.
Na say why that also.
Why now be fuel car? So we Juma our company be more. Company no any fuel car now. Yes sir.
Any company be on the floor but ebi wo ha wo mutimi fa.
Most say company now car say use wa.
E no dey.
At the end of the month no, your ma car allowances ni niam bi e dey come. So once you use car so the same process.
Yes.
Now what I want to establish is say Ghana police service car omudiye patrol. You say the government officials will come out and say petrol omudima for patrol. Is it enough? Let's ask ourselves. Is it enough? Enough. A whole year, need to come on maybe 15 gallons, 20 gallons.
For a whole year.
I'm telling you.
Okay.
This is the hard truth. When police officer be no
okay.
But they are going through this. I told the beer, I want to be short of petrol. Where are they supposed to get fuel to put in their car to patrol the whole place? For they say La Paz, Anase Medina, Anase East Legon, Anase Kumasi, Omuwo MTTD. MTTD no. I'm going to check the road regulations and the kwanso. Now, you must say you're not police for car. I buy more car say, but you know more car. Na mo fa emo mo dwuma na mo ye na. Bisa say I buy the car or the petrol car wana. Car without petrol can it move?
It cannot move.
Good. Now, you na yesusu ebe sa kwoni asa titire nsa ache Ghana police say, "Ena, aha say kwa mu time patrol." It is up to yen. Say you so boa the institution. It yan konkre bia me sasem we am making. The police service will be glad say you can wasem. But they will not be glad say or no be gina bonti aba be champion. Say or we have petrol and fan feel car. But it's up to yen.
Okay.
It may at name be at first maybe na me adwuma. What I was championing they say most of the filling stations are what komu hanyina. Komu ope filling stations are a dozen from La Paz to Medina, from Medina to Kaswa. You check if filling stations are what
a dozen pa.
Good. But ultimately, a few of them, and it's me catch a police service say, okay, every month be a 10 gallons of fuel.
Nanka I won't stop at you cost now.
Yes,
security agent.
Yes, it's a car. One share in your best wait here, a special appeal kakrebi me. What is our filling station? Our filling station. Now, per se, Ghana police service. What your number? No, dear friend. Young Kasaya the cameras were back nearby support. Sa benevolent contribution now by Ghana police because see that they are really suffering.
Nentina metiwase ya dwaka ni ane tre se a police for no wo yo mafemu die bia se djuma na dia show mo to mo be
simply what we are doing is fantastic.
Nti akade na enso hu no
handicap enu demma yenye sa ko na sa betene yensa che Ghana police say they are not doing their work well.
Okay. Nti cases enenam feme ma hangi enkofo ye kunku mo boni enkofo di
most of them because some of the cases be the police needs to move car to go to the site to investigate. I feel maybe a key car fuel away. Sometimes it takes some of the commanders are only in charge, station officers, and you have bottom car and the top fuel. I'm telling you, only me as a meeting obi a so ono or member of parliament or yet president and make kasa asema meeting beboa. The officers themselves will attest to this. So police officer be saying live to say they should come and drink and say make come boy. Sometimes another Bema Ubako police station so will be your bonnet. The police will tell you to buy fuel. Yes. You feel say government is doing all that they can to do. But
obi atrim so a police for there say bibi aban na yemom eden omdem kraban momo eden omdem omo uniform aban pam momo ye say chiom ka busum bi enti na police for here omdem mo juma.
Let me tell you one secret thing. Okay. The police officer apart from so obeko training na ye be ma uniform akabia wa na betowadi
o train uniform dem ma no na expect so be cha
these are hidden secrets of about Ghana police service.
Okay,
I'm telling you. Some of them na a kabomwa obi tinchen ya office Ghana police they are not doing anything but they are really bleeding. Ghana police omu bleed ankasa.
Go back to the issue say your insecurity rate about my mu nature say amount for 8 me from most of the comments I receiving about this issue let me say because say bonini si yesha say so mosro na edu baby ni eja 20 abonefo no dwen say like send the security once no mo ni say oh you na ha mira ni fa nya adwuma wo mo sha say oh wo sha say openi bi ta wechi nkwa na case ni sha say ni hwehwe mu nye oh ye ka ba ko mienu bi na afi de ase de na ba fam oni eja na ka na te say enu nti na manipa boni for adults na boni sem so adults wo mind
good enu na me establish asem wa fe pa na ekoso
yeah
enu na me pese me establish bibi
okay
na sa dwin na ye di se yetim ewo ho no ye yifri ho se ye me hu se Ghana Police Service eti se nipa eti se wunia waswo ne so kwa adwuma na ne niema a wo de adwuma wo ne nsanka e ma ne nye wadwen say he's not doing anything
ana adwuma no ontimi
nye de tie ne se system no se wo bi ye adwuma na wo ma no ho chi ne bebre a obi bie quest kakra bi so kire na he will fall into
okay
I don't know system no people don't trust it because me let me tell you something me kase me bribe a police officer me nukwa me fa so me bribe no
only the weak spots
yes because I don't know your penifo no emu bi if you say oh ukodi bone no eba I know how to handle the police he knows it and pass so because nipa no what no
okay
it's you say the system no see na e ya ho dey Ghana Police Service me oba refie me didi am me live good me refie me temi no me ho ase a dey na wo dey be kire me you get it say me sorry ye me didi me nya ba bi da me nya me ka twi me timi to me fuel me timi come service me timi ni bibia dey na wo dey ba wo dey be kire me so oba me ni mu a you come with some dignity but oba ye no me send me bi akom de me onya me mo a on for problem to me keba oh madam what you say yes sir immediately you start to do yes sir and no starts the corruption
okay
corruption is just free war and no na yen ya pegu sa we na ye say we na ye say try one because the system is corrupt yes we an kasa na system na corrupt na ye we fi ye single handed support a bit with the Ghana Police Service and the security agencies no na ye sa kwa aba because the police is corrupt me I'm somebody here say me drive na me do kwa so police officer if you don't ask me of money crowd me I give them money. Do you know the reason? Do you know why most of truck drivers and taxi drivers they give them money? They know their situation. Sometimes they take all those money for fuel. That is the secret in it.
It's not bribe, Jay.
And bribe no ya bra. Ebi wodi boni bi. Na opese wodi sika eya demudie na boni na wodi ne kataso. That is bribe. But on the road most people give out money willingly.
Okay. Yeah, establish that fact. Sure. And you say the assassination of big people, high profile people, Aircoso 19 from JB Dankwe Wonu, Abesi Nenka, member of parliament there, or a high profile.
Good.
Yache
suspects.
Besine. You knew who is behind. And Ochina. I don't know if it's a case but end of quarter. But I know say or that jail Sisiano. On the story air for another day.
Sure.
If you want to know a honorable Kokwansa Hayford. One also na so our campaign.
Yeah.
One also sa Yachinko for Besine. Send no more speculative will be shake be using. Besine. Ye hu obi o shete say nkofo no krampo no ya cho matum ana say ya toto ma no ana sabre wo mo koda jail yes e di mo sentence nia no e no de ye fi public sphere ye hu biem but nipa na high profile person
sure
and we ye no cresi nchen am professor Bene University of Ghana lecture year ono so ye kunu ofie two suspects ye chi wo mo no within the time space ya cho mo ye di mo court no bakum etimi yare efimu there na on very suspicious basis I will be in the title ma branch ntimi wisa and just to think of it, say maybe that will be the end. Because the next suspect, the second one now, no so count. I feel the same. I so can now no so at that hospital. I no so case no. Say will be take today, and now one more no no so no. It has not been established, and these are high-profile deaths that have gone on in the country. I said, and go for sure him say, and can you be when you put my sibling so you be able to say when they take today into your channel and the sentence near opening when they say no smart city, but in the no acquire speculations.
Okay.
Yɛchi ma na ya tibemfoni atena ne ya dwenje na we de ekunu nipa bi na bɔ ne ho pa but nipa ko e bɔ ne ho kwa pa ne yante case no wo de kɔ court ye hu mu bi ne yetete wo saa ni tie nye no na ehye nkofo Kenya se si ade de obi a mutumi ko obi a o man mu ana
see that asem na obisa no a direct question na the program be too much so kai me obofo fridge mu nsem ya similar cases here. Sure. Yet any say justice delayed is not justice denied.
Okay.
One thing na court e be kan kire no. Na ensem we koso wo Ghana no. Eto da bia e ya na areho. Say your cases bu o a ye fast track cases no court. Any your court na so a.
Entepa o na to say and just I say your penny paper and no aka no.
Murder cases issues no very dicey. Sometimes you need evidence, forensic reports. So many things that goes into murder cases. So when the lawyer sitting come out, these are the terms I will meet you and catch you. And now exhibits in so movie show. The exhibit objects found on a crime scene. The back quarter eno na ye tender na be exhibit that is the legal term. Okay. The man say for instance say bia ebia me phone ya me use crime scene no ye koto crime scene no na phone we e wo ho ye friend phone when it goes to court ye fasa phone we the kokota ye tender your tender ni akase okay
so evidences
we evidence okay. But evidence in friend exhibit
okay
exhibit no ni amane number ebia exhibit ebia A299 ni can in court terms no munim say your phone we asem ni ka now murder cases no omunya all these exhibits no mo dey tender or grievances to the bia investigations no etimi ye dia to the extent say you cannot even get informations to back up your defense in court. It is ana just say police officer and as CID or you in charge of case no or say court man bre no ko ehwehwemu ebi wo a otimi say court man 2 weeks in kan and no na ma suspect aye fa wo no otimi say court man kwan no fa no kwasha remand. No more try no more investigations. Nipa no kasa eti all these things you know Emma cases ni wo a prolonge.
Okay.
And no one aspect. And the other aspect you know to say system na you live in no. One yen system no yen configurate no ma utimi yen information bia at one point in time.
Senator no information penny heading.
Yes, don't information per heading.
Okay.
And I'm saying you move ko digital system. First let me be yen ho paper some. Now I feel na ye try na ye ko to the digital system. And no boa ma ye it be nyam mantem. And no na ma ene. Let me chip in this.
Okay.
Let me chip in this for educational purposes. We are here to educate, inform and entertain.
Good.
Education bakwa be be magana for mo hwe yen say. Efi neko. Se wo ko any baby ye photocopy. Se wo kwa ye wo ID card ana any a document bi a wo it give you a whole detail about you. Ebia or driver's license, ebia or Ghana card, or voters ID card, or Senate card, we health insurance card, anything be informational detail about you be so kono ko photocopy a mesrew se wo ko na ko photocopy no na de wo photocopy na ma no o ka cho se oh sa paper we spoiled paper mesrew je paper no don't leave it to tiny panel yama no je sa paper no because per the information me nya here and say most people use photocopies of my year to register new SIMs in the money. This is the information I'm giving to everybody for free. And bear in mind, a year ago, people are using ID cards without your knowledge. What cause a beer? You say, koye a print out to be never be touch document. Oh, yeah, no. O printing ya no yesi ebia say mostly so etesi so we are say no amoamoa no oye ya abo se wayi no amoamoa no ato to beam. Don't leave it, catch any part, insist on it.
Say dey awa odi
insist on it or say say quality find insist opa genetic never good has been you than so about one say no they are two because most people go to them, they sell to people. Mostly omo to MTN cards ni sa cars na SIM cards.
Okay.
Yes, omo de call e de come omo na obi ewa de wo information no dey register SIM na won come. Eju be call SIM you a yes register SIM dada. How come? Eju be say why card no akwa registration bi no be afraid obi phone akodi boni. You see the alarming way. It is a me
o to okra pa na say o
to Kennedy Agyapong asemi omo friend no if he wants to trace at any telecommunication ye be kono e bia na wudi ma no full name
nana mo wusua ena e friend Kennedy Agyapong na say okra pa onim ho hwe
so no onim wo hwe but SIM no registration is your name on it. How come? Now utu fie o dwen wo ho onya hwe unim de ekoso wo ho abose bie na ya frɛ and they will call you because immediately they almost building to the system no every information will come. Ousua ada say you say wo number bi efrɛ this number, do you know this number? We see there be okay wo ho na bie na ya ba be found with the order from the the court. Say number na frɛ no ye hu say din we e na register ampa so ye call system nim ewo telecommunication we din na dey register now we be picked up it before call be hu say enye wo no na bia we din bi be say na say. So this is an advice to everybody. So could be a YD card photocopy, try to insist on the one which is spoiled.
The idea say all this idea will be famous because a very important thing to say. You take
drink course.
Make grandma drink course.
Yes, the money.
Make grandma drink course.
Most people do scams with it. It most of the circulate. Within circulate and part again no. Obu wait me and they register mobile money. Do you know the register mobile money? No, the frauding control. This is what is going on in the system.
Yanko honorable nsem no esubiem na say honorable when ya call say nipa boni for bia that friend say ni say ene de be yo na openi no wetin dia be tudwa sa no enye putting his life more at risk.
No, you see honorable Kennedy Agyapong, he's one man I respect so much.
Okay,
I respect him so much. Sure, the kind of confidence the man has no tells you the nice so.
Should I say kakra?
Good.
Okay.
The person me say honorable Kennedy Agyapong was setting itself entawaja you can't just penetrate kekesa.
To be sorry for M50 per copen bibia. Okay.
A more be honorable Kennedy Agyapong say or you just a member of parliament and I say or you just a millionaire keke. Yes.
I didn't want to be ma
no, you see,
okay.
Say the people out we are now open the cracker. Open the cracker. Emma unya a time bibiri ewo wiase unya tan ye woniema bibiri wo ho a o ya enkofo be feel say nipa asomasi o kan okure dodo and ye part of your country you live no most people empen okure we all hide behind nokure no na ye propagate what is false.
Okay.
Na papa no I'm telling you obi o wonu otimi aye bold aba abonten abeka say these people na your 1st January ni mu
1st January.
Yes.
Okay.
1st January ni it was Thursday no guys ento no 2021 ento no or you will die.
They say you tell one to crash it.
Yes.
No matter so work as a cross it why say almost any date no say Thursday it can be
any Thursday. Any Thursday. But the person say honorable Kennedy Agyapong is on top of his security thing. Or no, he knows what he's doing. And me person, member of parliament, should go to Kennedy Agyapong. Now, Misano coin of Aswa or map up the security. He's on top of his security, I'm telling you.
Now, the Tina Obi be person or best silence no. Because so they opekasa. Me who say akasa ama obi enya problem because of nase man say maybe wakasa ama nti obi losing the position and
you see the system that we are living in.
Okay.
Ye nyina ye be pese ye be twatoro. Ye die enya ye ho than say ye be ka no kore. Na ya makomade.
Na so wakasa ebi mutimi nya akokro duro eba abonte be ka say o papa we ni ka say nya ye ka say hu kwa.
Oh you see. And yes say asema wo kan nyina no say ye no kore say nya no kore. O kan asem na o feel say asema wo kan no enye writer maybe o nipa he can go wrong sometimes.
Yes.
He can be right sometimes. It's so few say asema wo kan no say enye writer. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong is somebody a say wo frɛ no wo ni number na wo frɛ no na wo store number call pick. Yo, most people so for no number or no number on father. Yes, most people that's what they do. So one text one can say be honorable and this is Michael, I want us to talk on this issue. I'm telling you, we never pick. We have countless of people the number say one store ya ofena on friend of pakusi yumre on father 100 times on father.
A decision I was taking
because on pair such strange calls are a baby threatening life na man yema hihye no. But this honorable man no ono the phone just one friend ofu obe pick ya why you be say I'm busy, I'll call you and now let's text aseme how for texting.
Okay.
And no the man will be etimi e dey no number afena be na pick. This is the man that we are talking about, Kennedy Agyapong. Regardless of name some about bontin oba beka say and not saying now where you saying. Let's look at the other picture.
Okay.
The other picture, you can see when they say, let's ask ourselves, say, per what he does, is it tantamount to the downfall of Ghana? And I say, Ghana economy. That is one thing we need to establish. Now, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong is an honorable member. He's a member of parliament.
Yes.
And apart from that, or ye billionaire or ni Canada
or ni sika or ni nyuma
let's put politics aside. He is a normal businessman. Anybody can tempt him. Business, if you are trying to do business there obi a business be himself, death threats is part of business. Yes. Eti wo area no hu say Honorable Kennedy Agyapong wabro sane man so
matibi penka
me papa na ka kire wo say so wo obi a wanya sika in 30s a watim de twam 40s 45 ekwa say ni pan suru no bibia wa hunu bi wo wiase.
Now when say most of the death threats are aquamancophobia no omo ignore ye na ekowie wo omo because sometimes no bi bewu obetinesi o nkofobia friend no obi abema no warning pen obi abeye say pen obo the legal so media matibia part of the thing ejuma me na part of it say na okay it's a businessman bia ya we say death threat wo mu bi nti wa no so afane sa otra part of those
Honorable Kennedy Agyapong asem before they ever out he has handed everything to the police and they are doing their investigations already.
Yes, the same case Ayaka security for some say security are
I make say no obifu up in security.
Okay.
Obifu up in security. That man is a businessman, right? You establish a sadie or a businessman. And every businessman bia or shamene or be a businessman piano or probably be an security there or for Niagro.
All right.
Or for the security Niagro. And some quiet on say, oh no, the kind of business that he trades, and yet 100 cedis, 10 million, 100 million, a business, no you. He trades in trillions, billions of dollars. Although the business, if you don't think, say, you will be getting a mere course, and business ultimately will be naso. And me, the point I make sure free, you so would say audio no he was saying it out of I say as the diagro. People might think say I say only serious about the life. But I'm telling you, yes, he's on top of all these things. Oh no, threat away in life. No. Threat honorable Kennedy Agyapong in his life. No. So such comments where you know human. Although he has, I can't remember. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, he has even met an armed robbers. Armed robbers is young pain. And no crown pukura and come baby. Now phone call say by Thursday you die.
Okay, so I think once a time ago, no, or the Barbeto Abonte said, armed robbers be and for contract almost
good.
Omuni ni bedi sham omuni ni kasa say
you see, it is such person. Even at the point say they gun at so crown. Well through. That phone call.
Does it mean say he's indestructible and I say own to me one now? Is he
nipa bia de ye immortal.
Ye immortal. What once within some time now no you talk say ne kasa ye mu ni ye mu no will aggrieve a lot of people. Ne kasa ye mu no even before the political season kwampo no we share Ahmed Swale. Anas journalist yini owuye kofo people we agree say one sha from onu no kasa ye o debe to dan sim o debe to dan o veli nenim no enu kwa ka hu bi ene ma branch ni wuye nti eye obi e wo nkofo mu etia no wuye no crazy nchen a ni kasa e mu di bo nu ababo nti no kan sem plain wo mema police fa becho e ma te say oye asofes was a crampo no crampo ya another case and some okeka fa bi mu wan hwe kwa na ne bo nyeso na ni nye ho will be to me find problems with will be say those or no ni say under no crane or to do but will be feeling offended now offense no so no obi ani we are reacting to the way of feeling nti say sanya mani ni ya keka bo one don't you think say someone taking it more serious than say just saying it out there now I say asem no so we are asem so be threatening honorable
on say honorable Kennedy Agyapong no ankasa no oye a whole embodiment of entertainment.
Why entertainers is here?
Oh, say make say a whole embodiment of entertainment. And the person say he gets a lot of attention.
Okay.
And now we're very influential. I know that you cannot dispute that fact. Uka Ghana, top influential people are. I've said on one platform, you say one of the top influential people in Ghana, Kennedy Agyapong is also part. And Sanya Mano, he built that Nieman with such braveness or the Bible team. Okay. Sa braveness no and the honorable Kennedy Agyapong, honorable Kennedy Agyapong. And now they also say they say, me person ye best send ye ade we best send say based on insemo or Bible team beka and nkofo and the threats and the man. But the person a share from the angle say honorable Kennedy Agyapong is a business move or a businessman. And business and threats there. and can the audio no ka all kano ka okase ebia kofo no say asem bi okoka ye in relation with ebia political ebia issues bi eba ye ordinary no kotum ena ebia enti no omoma no live to the next day.
Na send the fact omo ntimi on village and let's say ebetima dey trace back to them. Obi a finding intention so be so nku obi no be reveal dey into be kun name won say dey
enu na me so be pese ye dey hwe say apart from the political ne political affiliation owo obi anim so ye politician or ye member of parliament no, apart from that one no no betimi ama no enya death threat no. We should also remember say he's also a businessman. Businessmen no, all these threat messages no, they do get some. Yes, they do get some.
Business world no competitive inti.
Yes, ejo no wa ebia we twine di bi ana say we twi obi adi ebia kasa bia koso ebia di wo ebia percentage bi o say bi nsaka and some money na wo. If you want to be a business move.
Let me just say, are you trying to say they are just mere words to say I can't say more among themselves and I say a big going ahead to act on it because
baby extra that extent. Baby extra kumampa. And that is what is happening in Ghana. Threats be about so ubewu. Threats be about so they will come but they will not succeed.
Okay.
And I'm telling you, sir, before no book in Agyapong the Babontin. One thing I want you to know is say he has already briefed his security. He has already briefed his security long time ago. And let's not take Honorable Kennedy Agyapong as just a mere person.
Okay.
He knows what he's doing at any point in time. On Kansam Keke. Or Kansama, maybe based on fact, but facts were they don't say no credit. Near the amano. You can act on it. Or act on it. Actually response out of the Bible thing. That tells you who Kennedy Agyapong is. And I'm telling you, such calls are abanesono. A very unfortunate say Honorable Kennedy Agyapong bit me atenase. Now ma such death threats no. Etimi amana resorted to his death. It will be of a low tenor. A behagana for you say because of this, no, ama happen.
E bi for we dey mon pele na me emfa ye nuan mo so a wo mo ehwe sabe wo ma de nche wo mo de e dey be ka ho na say emfa nkomo no enter feel. DKM of Paris say Kennedy don't worry, no one can kill you. Rosa David say good morning. Or maybe we say repping here second. Ghana has become very dangerous. Bad people all over. Rosa David Star Block so say good morning too much GH. Good morning to you. Gideon Kwame also say good morning to my GH. My man, more fire, you are live from London. Gideon Kwame Star Block also say our security system is weak. With all yes the problems that you can't hear the better police for security system no but when you can dey the keka won music and so mun dey ka won ya no that's why a problem a yen sha say survey and then post ya sha post survey yen timi fen ko do pepe to be able to say okay at least you 2 months issues no around there no everything perform now in this time to so and a threat about I'm opening for fraud. I don't know so you're member of parliament. Now to say you be free your security system no up no. That's how they should not threat no abano. How then do we assure ourselves say he's going to be safe and okay?
Oh, you see, also security briefings, you know. Say me way. So will be a ABR death threat message ebremia. The next point of call the police.
Okay.
You get it. The next call, police. And the police should catch you say, okay, when the officer will need no encounter, the police get all these information. Obisao, when a encounter, if you blessing, kusi blessing, when the officer will beat me, yes sir, they give the almost all these informations from you just to get more into what they are about to do.
Okay.
And my first team said. The police system is weak.
My canisa.
It's never weak. The police system is never weak. I'm telling you this. It's never weak. So what you mean? Na police emeche ye fa nkwose counterback da enka se mra di kuruwa. Se oto woni aba be chew do akose counterback pen. Se oto na ero akogina court dem pen. Na ye de emra na e wo Ghana na wutu fi adwen se emra bi ani mai mu ano. Na ye bobom mra ne so akire wa me nua ba. I want to say sa Ghana so but ABC. I'm telling you.
Then the utokrom kakre bi na wo she.
Yes. Say ma wo koda wa Ghana ho na abo say no, the system in Ghana is working.
Na say de wo kani ano so ne ehiafo ntitu net wo mu.
Ye da bi enye ehiafo titiru bebre sa. Enye ehiafo titiru sa.
Empa hin what say mpanifo bi skafo bi ya che o mo medi boni bi ama ya che o mo da kotu jeuda. What be pen?
Oh ye jeri bi da. Ye jeli bi num da. Even say wo kodam one day kra na ya jeli. E na jail statement no enye se ya jeli e bia 10 years e na e jail ayi mu. Otimi ko na court pronounce jail statement amount. Ya pronounce jail statement amount. E should be a 2 weeks, e bi kwa 1 week. Ayi jail, e jeli. What else? It will jail just a day. A day jail. Call jail statement. Police no. Oko omo akaisumu a. Ewom se wo. Se we hear we police wa. Wait, sa pronouncement a court to the amount on it. You are defending yourself from any maybe.
Okay, mama fa Ishmael Inshuraba question. Then I say, hey, asemo Ghana penye. Fatima say God will never let anything happen to Honorable Ken. Ishmael BM say read our okay Matepa ma kind am dada.
I think read the comments okay.
I'll say may Almighty God bless you guys, more fire. Isaac Bono say that assassin has dialed a wrong number. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong's boys will roast him alive. Mohammed Suraj also say honorable, don't worry at all, nothing can harm you till your God wish so. Na yeka obiaka honorable the honorable mutinyanche. But in this time to Sony Atete say threats in the abeya idea eba pa fina epic reformer to say age na pa share about ye chia. So one person that share political affiliation be our person so a businessman in we receive it. But yan share after we just this elections where you journalists for ya threatening ebimu am ebi kra mpo no report say ya attempt on their lives say nka nyanya me mpo na bi omu afofi a enka womo edwo muti ejeye na ebi emu kra mpo no popular one you kra Captain Smart wono kra ye ko ni fie just say they had every opportunity to get him because we be etimewura ofie dia no wetimenya access to car elu to car ho exterior mirrors nya say jaleta dia to am na epete say na he had enough time off ni sleeve and commit him dey do bone but now our agenda omuja letter dey throw say omesa akọ e dia babiem eti now no if our security is not weak it's strong but in here akade kakra no okay yen fa ne say mampani etie yen na say o dia akade na ba what next threats no how are we going to settle them because they say nipa just threat and assassination so adults they say kuku nkofo anyhow e wo man mu no crap yentimi hu ensem ka anything no see security ni nye as weak as ye ka na say na ehu na ye stronger there na ye afa hu
die ye betimi ye afa hu ne say one yenti e hu asese se me ka asem na bia umpa try every means to reach me ebia obofo asemu ya okan anye me de intimi sro ebia fa sa kwan a ofa so a odi kan asem na anye me de no sa kwan na so every practice our statement no if we see ourselves to be our brother's keeper that's when you are your bonia you wouldn't go to that extent say obeka chi ni pa so beji ni kwan free
se see no sa imra na nye adwuma wo say as a be your brother's keeper science and seminar as a religious speech no
the tiene say if you baby ne kudru baby and a bit me free baby so aba baby ya fan say agi ensem it agi ensem ni nya ni sa na there be it takes people like us Say ne aba betena ha. We need to sensitize the system. Yeman kofonti ase say bi una ebebo pass koju obi nkwa no. Say bi onchirebo. Me always say if I die today, I'll never live tomorrow for you to come and kill me again. Me mo sa ideology no edinam de bia. Me de bia me ka kire me mase there can be a day I will sorry it na. You hear said that is no more. And because that is part of life. Me, I'm ready to die anytime. We want to go heaven. Yes, we want to go heaven.
Okay.
I'm ready to die anytime.
Okay.
But I mean, just say untimely death, and I'm encourageful. 18 obo bra, just say you live to expectation. Now, you best say, some death threats are ebony now, and you're uncalled for. And now, and no more emma the open. So feel say me my yawa de nya. For me, obo for the we are here me mpe. Into so jai. Me nipa. Sometimes emotions get on people to act unnecessarily. But I don't say unfortunate say we have people or no naturally they are born wicked.
When they
are born wicked. Yes. I know so many people they are like that. And then can you know one say what me sorry never share will be. Was in say we hear you baby mommy. There the man who says any power kunipa. Obi eduwa ye won say we kunipa. But you will find yourself in a situation now. Obi bet me just walk to you. Oh, also have a person who come assume money. Looking at nipa na over hono. You ask yourself they don't know who am I who say mitimi. You see, it's naturally we have people who are born wicked. I know, but if you are born wicked like that, you have so many ways to change that looks of yourself. And uji ni pane crown, and no bibia, and you are not going to take nipano our balls are pan. Sika be ma na no na udi ubedi akopim se wiase be sai.
Okay.
And where say yeti ase say nipa ba ku free wiase a it takes multitude of people any free wiase a anka yenu ho kire na anka ye bedwene ho. E wonim me kai time a covid cases shas here COVID-19 by ya report one death. Oh, 2 deaths.
Normal.
3.
Single digit.
Na meti ho unim asema me kan ni say assuming say me na me a father of 2. Na me wo abusua me hwe wo mo. Me wo kofo a they rely on me about let's say 50 people under me. Na bewu not because me no or one day. Do you know the number of people are indirectly? You see, say me 1% more, me 100% Emma. That's 50 people under me. You get it? Yenti say the people back who are, and you say if you are selfish interest now, we wait me again, you know. But think about the numbers of people là, or more are resort to handicap. Ewo nipa ni wo na.
Say na jebi dan kwade no ekoye na tese sabre no ka na akoya we hostem kofo ka say enye wono a enye wono anke bi mu create we nye scan. I'm
telling you that man wo no ya ye hu videos bi ewo kind show so jebi dan kwa ewo too much people should just get time and watch and get more details on it. I'm telling you disheartening. Ena emeye ntwen say esema ye ken ema nyina ye ntwen say honorable Kennedy Japan at a threat issue. You know the number of people are omenya threat issues are ema abontin. And you know people like ofabo omo pa me eku omo because they don't have name ema abontin. And numerous of people.
Okay.
But what I'm saying is say the ebema sanema we nyina to atwa no. Let's a quick yeah security agencies no. And I'm telling you, they will do fantastic job.
Okay.
They will do fantastic. Hey, Ghana police. Me say me police in madam fu. Police in madam fu.
No, obi in madam fu. They who ni
good. Me say police in madam fu because a baby na madam me madam fu be police for the military men. Na na me need do corona. Or say, oh, you are a friend of the police. Your case will be a friend of police at here.
I do what you said. I what you said.
Good. Man, so we just be a friend of the police. What's hey? A statement I can. Some do continue court. Let me catch the court to say, oh, Michael is the friend of the police. I just say we are touching. We or have them. We here.
Police didn't.
Now, kwaba. And I'm saying, really? I say, yes. It's not say you are a friend of the police. Nobody can be a friend of police.
Say the police is your friend.
The police is your friend. And yet you are friend with the police.
Yo. Yeah, tell one of my things. Say, I know, I quite say I 70 there, and that's why the whole. Yeah, man, Thursday, 4 a.m.
Yeah.
Eti yenshe nim say Thursday 4 a.m.
It's a mere venue. And nothing is going to happen. BNC. Me say Honorable Kennedy Japan is on top of his issues and his security issues.
BNC say one not for the
Ghana police handle matter no.
Yes, you understand that part, but one more so more money date no say at least because of my mom they mean business.
Yeah interview Omo she. You know makasa masa I sa death threat amode ma Honorable Kennedy Japan emwa munyai. They've stopped. Thursday 4 a.m.
Yeah, say you're making arrest be.
They've stopped. Oh, for arrest, say bia. Omo try so omo koye ne eche omo they are fine. That is the briefing of the police. And now ometimi am up strategies are ometimi that those people. And everyone said they are still under investigation sir. Omo train say bia omo be chilipa no. And in due time no, if truly is data, those people will be brought to book.
Me you be my for my final words now to say come on sorry so
me final words are me dey Emma Ghana fu nyina ne say ye kekama funu ne kekama dampan wo mu say death threats bebre ekoso enya de aye nyina ye penisa we don't wish say all these things will be happening. But the fact of the whole matter, they say, so far as say ye nipa, ye tiwiase ne die, such issues will be coming up. A basa also swa is up to the security agencies say, oh my Ghana, and they be taking the matter on. Na ye best say ye pay for our Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, a part of it no. Omo ko parliament, omo no champion equipment ne near Ghana police service ebetimi dey adwuma because we are living in a country policeman co duty na man police Ghana ya man Ghana aboba e ka ho no na ya kan do ma wo kwa te ba oto ba ko a e so ba na be make account of it etu aboba nyina no ya kan ye said I you know one say na ya kan ma say J5 and should in case policeman na co duty na aseme so chen no ekoto na ese o fire tribulator asa biaka nyina no ese yemetungu ni sumo no ese aso anipa no o ye adwuma na o de amememfi na ye adwuma e basa so ntimi deliver what is expected of him e basa so aye susu an yesa e ba ba gina nipa no so se nipa no enye what is expected of him to do enti e besere say do threat messages e koso ene sensem koso yemwa Ghana police service no so ntimi enye omadwuma yi na mo ayi nyina
empa na mo obi bia so na ebusuafo komo no hade ene de ebesi na yedi si no yedi ni edi ekire se onabo na mu na de betu dwanti de be ko wie bia so no se na de betu dwana no angasa besa de asom ye bia so mutimi baaye so mentimi amma na ye hwe nim ye bompa ye so biem ade amma no se enkoba ne sa se na ye enkofo di ntrene akwama ne na tese sa no medi so eda ye dwuma nti yeah, chain not a bit for you DC and then the first time I will share too much GH and bomodian subscribe na ebiom to me a bell no say be a baby a dey video betum bia wo bet me na notification no wait me aba online na wa be hwe bi na me kan say no follow you on your social media platform Instagram Twitter at too much GH _ Facebook also too much GH nana ama owusu a enemy din nyame adoma ye be san ede hia na me chie bibia wo no so bo modern ebe kan ho emedwede no pepepe nyame hia munia makramo
too much GH we boy what shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching too much GH we boy what shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching too much
GH. We did go say Japan. A break and Besame TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody de bia. Madam I say love you.
Me did the Isaac Agyapong. We between family the great tampo. Bring. One man come when you share too much GH. Too much GH. Mu too much. Na me so me I'm more fire.
Yo. Too much GH nie. Ghana for Ashefo Etiefo onipa bi a won subscribe e too much GH no subscribe wo na ehintasem ensema ebuafa on my Ghana so e na ye de bremu one god nie the only one god in GH eho na de bia mehwe abrechefo ene Ghana for mo amobiasa fa na ina me recommend emamo too much GH